Is it time to buy or sell Keurig Dr Pepper stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Keurig Dr Pepper. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 26th of August, 2025. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 25th of August, 2025, our system has identified Keurig Dr Pepper as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.3. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a decline of -6.91%. This corresponds to an average daily loss of -3.46% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 2.99% over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 2.99% and 25.40%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -5.44%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from -4.88% to 14.22% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $27.54 and $33.7. Our latest daily update for Keurig Dr Pepper features the headline, Keurig Dr Pepper Inc. stock price experienced a decline of 6.91% on Tuesday. The stock price of Keurig Dr Pepper Inc. decreased by 6.91% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 26th of August, 2025, dropping from $31.10 to $28.95. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated 7.12%, reaching a low of $28.93 and a high of $30.99. It has fallen in 5 out of the last 10 days, showing a decrease of 16.83% over this period. Trading volume increased by 20 million shares on the last day. Although this occurred alongside falling prices, which could be an early warning signal, consequently, the risk may rise slightly in the coming days. In total, 63 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $1.82 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $38.28, while the lowest was $28.93. Currently, the price is 24.37%, or $9.33, below the 52-week high, and 29.92%, or $12.36, below the all-time high recorded on August 18, 2022, when the price peaked at $41.31. Keurig Dr Pepper took bold steps this week by agreeing to acquire KDP Peet's for approximately $18 billion. Following this, the company plans to split into 2 public entities, a global coffee group and a beverages company. The coffee division will merge Keurig, Peet's, and KDP's brands, creating a business with around $16 billion in sales. Meanwhile, the beverages company will include Dr Pepper, Canada Dry, and other soda and energy brands, generating roughly $11 billion in sales. Management has appointed Tim Cofer to lead the beverages sector and the chief financial officer to oversee the new coffee company. The credit markets responded swiftly. S&P placed Keurig Dr Pepper on negative watch, and the stock fell by more than 11% as investors adjusted for the risks associated with the deal. In the short term, expect continued fluctuations. Concerns about financing, increased leverage, and execution risks may impact the share price and valuation until more details about the deal and the separation plan emerge. Looking ahead, this transaction has the potential to unlock significant value if scale, synergies, and brand portfolios contribute to margin improvement and accelerated growth in the coffee sector. However, challenges such as substantial debt, integration issues, or lower than anticipated cost savings could keep the shares under pressure. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 26th of August, 2025, it was reported that HSBC assigned KDP a hold grade along with a downgrade action. On Monday, the 28th of July, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned KDP an overweight grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 25th of April, 2025, it was reported that HSBC assigned KDP a buy grade along with an upgrade action. On Tuesday, the 25th of February, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned KDP a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 25th of February, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned KDP an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to the stock of Keurig Dr Pepper. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as neutral. The following signals have been identified for Keurig Dr Pepper. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock of Keurig Dr Pepper Inc. is showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, a general sell signal is present as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is anticipated around the levels of $33.63 and $33.68. A breakthrough above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal originated from a pivot top point on Thursday, the 21st of August, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 17.76%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning sign, suggesting that the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal, 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal, 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal, 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal, 2 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal, 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal, 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal, 8 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Keurig Dr Pepper. Currently, there's no support from accumulated volume below today's level. If conditions are unfavorable, the stock could perform poorly in the coming days. This stock typically experiences average daily fluctuations, and with adequate trading volume, the associated risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $2.06 between its high and low, representing a change of 7.12%. In the past week, the stock has displayed an average daily volatility of 3.49%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Keurig Dr Pepper, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is generally considered to be within a normal range, commonly seen in companies with established histories or stable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 23rd of October, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at 54 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Keurig Dr Pepper. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Keurig Dr Pepper is at $31.10. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for Keurig Dr Pepper from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 20th of August, 2025, Robert James Gamgord, conducted an insider sale of 7,601 shares of common stock. On the 1st of August, 2025, Robert James Gamgord conducted an insider sale of 208,000 shares of common stock. On the 29th of July, 2025, Robert James Gamgord conducted an insider sale of 208,000 shares of common stock. On the 17th of July, 2025, Mary Beth Denoyer conducted an insider sale of 12,000 shares of common stock. On the 1st of July, 2025, Mary Beth Denoyer conducted an insider sale of 11,889 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 30.955. Overall, insiders purchased 853,932 shares and sold 1,498,035 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative assessment regarding this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Keurig Dr Pepper stock a good buy? Currently, the stock of Keurig Dr Pepper Inc. presents several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Keurig Dr Pepper Inc. will experience weak performance over the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 27th of August, we expect Keurig Dr Pepper to open higher by approximately 673 hundredths of a dollar, starting at $29.62. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us at Stock Invest.